Here's a point-wise summary of the Chengdu J-10C multi-role fighter aircraft. Name: Chengdu J-10C, a 4.5 generation fighter from China. Manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation for air superiority and ground attack. Specifications include a single crew, length of 16.9 meters, and wingspan of 9.8 meters. Powered by WS-10B or AL-31FN engines, reaching speeds of Mach 2.2. Features KLJ-7A AESEA radar for multi-target tracking and advanced avionics. Armed with PL-10, PL-12, and PL-15 missiles, plus laser-guided bombs. Offers a combat radius of 1,100 to 1,400 km and aerial refueling capability. Enhanced stealth with reduced radar cross-section and advanced countermeasures.